Okay, so I've got these stacks of signatures, and you can look down into a signature and see kind of where they come apart. Right there. See? You can see where they're folded and where they come apart. And just look to figure out, like, where is this signature? Where can I get it from? And eventually you'll get to a place where you have the right signature to pull apart, and then you can just pull it right off. I'm still not there. One more maybe. Yep, and then you just pull it right off all the way down. So I had already done that with this one. And now what I'm trying to do is separate the pages into layouts that I can use. And so this one is down to its last two. And basically you're just gently making pressure, putting pressure at all of the places where it's still sort of attached. And don't worry, you are going to make some rips and tears. Your objective is to do it slowly enough that you will still have a layout to use. And you just do it slowly. And I work a little on one side and then a little on the other at a time. And I'm down to the last one, so that part is nice because I can fold back these other ones. And then I pull gently just to let the rest of that old glue, which is pretty dried up, let go. And then you have a layout that you can decorate to your heart's content. In fact, this one turned out the best out of all of them. So I have a whole slew of them here. They are all still intact, but I will probably have to use some sort of washi tape, or I usually use double-sided tape with a paper backing with paper. And we'll just put that in the middle to strengthen that so that I can sew it again. All right. That's how you get the pages out of the signatures.